Hi, I'm Denisha, a graduate student at The Ohio State University studying long-legged flies in Cleveland, Ohio. Long-legged flies are small, shiny green flies with really long legs. These flies are important because they are predators. However, we don't know what these flies eat in urban areas like Cleveland. So today, I want to talk to you about how I work like a detective to figure out what these flies eat. Now, one way we can figure out what these flies eat is by catching them in the act. However, it's extremely difficult because these flies move extremely fast and you can't videotape them because they don't stay in one place. So instead, I catch these flies by using a sweep net, then go back into the lab to do gut contents analysis. This type of scientific research is similar to a crime scene investigation. At a crime scene investigation, detectives look for fingerprints to identify which people have been at the crime scene. In my lab, we look for insect DNA to determine what insects are inside the stomach of the long-legged flies. Every species of insects has unique DNA, just like every human has unique fingerprints. So my DNA analysis lets me know exactly what insect species each particular fly is eating. Even though it would be really hard to see a long-legged fly eat its next meal, the technique will help me puzzle out what long-legged flies eat in urban areas. After I found out what these flies eat, I can then understand how valuable these predators are to controlling other insect pests in Cleveland, Ohio, and elsewhere. Thanks for listening, and good luck for your insect project.